whatever. Just don't bring that crap to me, because I'm going to knock her out. I'm about playing with her. It just don't make sense for her to be that old. You know, we older. She's supposed to do right. I mean, she should be happy mama's still here with us. People wish their mama was here still. That's crazy. She need to see a psychiatrist for real. For real, because she don't know the effect that she causing other people too. Mama's sick. She causing mama to be sicker. And her children, Brenton, that's why Brandon gone. Brent sat down and talked to me. He said, Auntie Melba, mama didn't tell you. The reason I'm seeing a psychiatrist is because of what she doing. When she was over there trying to cut that man tires and stuff. And that man calling Brenton, telling him, look, y'all need to get y'all mama, because if she come over here one more time, he said, I'm going to shoot her. So, she needs to go get some help. Or she's sitting up there talking all that crap about me and Lisa and murder. I said, murder ain't stealing no money. Murder's barely be over there now. She seemed like she getting older and she understands. Because when me and Erica's over there, Lisa said, you coming over here? She said, no. I'm letting Melba and Erica spend time with Bobby. I'll just wait. I was like, So it's time for everybody to grow up and stop acting like that. I don't know what else to tell them. It's just crazy. And she over there going crazy, huh? Yeah, and then when you sit down there, why is she doing that? Why? She got a job and she getting money from Britain. Why? I mean, if that was me and I didn't have time to be doing all that stuff, I said, take it. Let somebody else do it. Because the man said we have plenty of people coming up here saying that they can't do it no more.
What? Starbucks?
Oh, okay. All right, sir. I'm sorry. That's probably gonna. She gonna get on you even more now.
Lean on.
I don't know. All right now.
What is it? You going crazy?
Yeah, he said, I don't want to hear it. She going crazy. Why?
Taking away some bread and butter from her. She was using mama money to supplement her money. If she falls short, she got that to fall. She always going to spend her money going to be there.
Well, I don't have my money to fall back on. I mean, Lurie,
she go to the bank. I mean, she go to the casino. That was able. Even if she got enough money, she had enough. She had that to fall back on. Like if she fell short.
If she pay all her bills, then she got a little money to the casino. Well, she could do that same thing if she get her old man.
Well, you got a friend with him now? That dude with the short hair behind.
He got money. They give him money. And dangerous. So apparently they say that they don't have the social work stuff. Hey, honey, where you live at?
Crazy. I mean, where your parents?